These kinds of edits used to take hours, sometimes days, but now with a single prompt, you can completely transform your image into whatever you can imagine. Hey everyone, it's Michelle from MBD Studio. Today I'm going to be showing you some of the craziest edits I've made to my images using AI models in Firefly Boards. Here's how I transform these images. All of these are just natural language prompts, and the AI model handles the transformation. This first one blew my mind. I took a painted artwork and applied it as a fabric to a chair realistically. This one looks like a real designer product, not a single brushstroke from me. Next, pure imagination. Left side, just a sketch and not a very good one. Right side, a manufactured looking product with glass reflections and detail. The model didn't just color it, it understood the object and completed the design. Concept to product in minutes. Here's where it gets wild. Same person, same environment, but now she's mid-air. The model rebuilt the body, shadows, and pose, like the shot was actually taken that way. Not a retouch, a reconstruction. Summer field to snowy landscape. Same pose, same expression, completely new world. Check out these snowflakes on her hair with cooler tones and atmospheric depth. Now we're not just changing an image, we're changing the vibe. This one is just cool. Normal street outfit changes to electric party fashion. Sequins, metallic fabric, light reflections. Background becomes a neon club scene. Editorial level transformation instantly. Watch the mood change here. We go from day to a colorful neon night. Then a morning cafe, golden hour glow with wine instead of coffee. No location change, just a new prompt. Imagine never waiting for sunset again. To this point, we've been transforming what already existed. Now we're generating things that never did. I added hot air balloons to the sky. One version using Gemini 3 prompts and one with Firefly Insert tool. Two workflows, same magic. From empty room to fully styled interior. Sofa, plants, light, composition. Great for visualizing your perfect home. The model handled layout and style all on its own. This one's whimsical. Original, apple in hand. Generated a glass orb with a tiny figure inside. Same depth of field, same hand. Completely new story. So here's the takeaway. These aren't just edits. They're full reality transformations from simple prompts. If you want to learn how to do these step by step, watch my Firefly Boards deep dive. It's linked right here in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.